and welcome to your daily dose of reviewing stuff plus seasoning. And of course, I just brought my headphones.
Do what?
Okay, so my old Bluetooth headphones got broke because of the section on between the left ear cup got snapped in half. And well, I think it is possibly due to the heavily used and and because of the really weak plastic, which I think it is actually going to explain why it broke. So, but I think there is other factor like better too much, or maybe I think somebody have my Bluetooth headphones here and then they would just kinda just better too much and then it caused the little plastic right there to crack. And I'm going to use my old gaming headphones right here that I bought about a long time ago right here for this explanation, which is basically just a basic gaming headphones with LED on it, and it doesn't even have RGB. You're actually not going to see the idea, but I'm going to give you an idea of what it actually looks like. So I'm going to point at this right here. This is the exact spot where I snapped, or somebody snapped my Bluetooth headphones apart, and but I did actually saw that there's some wires going along this overhead section right here, which this is probably can explain how these certain headphones will actually work. So, and if you want to check the review out where I have reviewed this old Bluetooth headphones, so I'll put the links in the description for that video, or maybe I'm just going to put it somewhere else in this video, which I don't even know if it's actually going to come on somewhere else or links in the description down below. Most likely depends on my time. So, and if I have enough time, we're just going to put in the description anyways, or somewhere else in this video. But rejoice, boys! I just got the replacement for it, which hopefully is going to be a better one and also not a scam.
I think you got scammed.
Hopefully not.
Okay, fine then.
Alright, so let's cut into the introduction of this anyways. So, cut! Okay, so this is going to be unboxing time for this little big bad boy right here, which I don't even know what to call this thing right now because it is so big. So, and right now it's time to unbox this little bad boy right here with the help of a cutter and a scissors. So, and if you're kind of confused of what I'm going to call this a little or big bad boy, so it most likely depends on whatever the screw is in my head. Alright, so without any further ado, let's get a little boy to unbox with the help of the cutter and the scissors. So I'm going to start with a cutter. Oh well, YouTube hostile, but I'm going to do it anyways. Alright, so and right now I'm going to cut from here, like so, and then cut from here. What is it doing? Alright, so I think this is going to be an ASMR moment at the visual, but I'm going to turn off the fan just in case.
Do it!
Inside the box, we got the replacement with the bubble wrap. What is it doing? Come on, you asshole. So this is my new replacement to replace my old Bluetooth headphones that just broke. So as you can see here, and is a model number ESD15. Sounds like a cool name for this Hoco headphones, isn't it? And I'm long inside. I also bought this Type-C here. And there it is. So this is basically a Type-C charger that I really want to use, but although I don't have any opportunity to buy it, but with this opportunity right here, so I kind of managed to get this Type-C charger right here, specifically for my Sony Xperia or whatever devices that I want to use with a Type-C on it. So I think I'm going to keep this away just in case, but since it is not the point of this, so just going to throw it away. Yay! Like that. And this one also, oh well, I'm just going to toss it out of the camera. Yeet! Alright, so right now it's time to get this Hoco ESD15 unboxed. So here we go, unboxing for a second time. And also, I forgot to put my hands on the camera. I'm sorry. Alright, so we got the key itself. So as you can see here, we got some information about this thing in different languages. So as you can see here, where's my language? Oh well, I couldn't find my language anywhere on this at all. So basically from China. And alright, so right now I'm going to open this treasure chest up like an iPhone, actually. This is kinda give me a feel of unboxing an iPhone, but not really. Come on, you pest. Alright, there we go. You kinda managed to... Oh! Alright, got the flip plate out. Inside there, we got the headphones itself. Hey! Not too bad, to be honest. Wow. But hey, except for the cushion. It is made out of cotton this time. So what else do we have here? Alright, so we got an aux cable for connecting onto your 3.5mm jack if you don't want to use the Bluetooth on this thing. And we got a Type-C charger, which is basically just a mid-sized Type-C charger. And we got a user manual, as you can probably tell. And here is a silica gel, which I'm just going to keep this for my camera bag if I really want to. And voila, we got some warranty from Hoco himself. So that's not even the point of this. So what else do we got here? Oh well, there is nothing left to unbox. Alright. So, and here's the main champion himself. So as you can see here, here's what it looks like. As you can see here on this section right here, we got a volume control as well as a power button, the micro SD card slot, the Type-C charger port, and we got a 3.5mm jack for connecting onto that aux cable that came with. And that's really it for this Hoco ESD15 here. So, but except for the cushion right here is actually made out of, oh well, some sort of a wool or cotton this time, but instead of just a fake leather on it. So they actually give me this, and they don't even tell me of what the left, the right is. Oh, there it is. So as you can see here, we got the left ear cup and we got the right ear cup, which I don't even know if you can see that, but oh well, it's basically just on there. And right, that's pretty much it for this Hoco ESD15. So as you can see here, I got this one in deep space gray. So, and hopefully I'm going to get this thing to a real use. So, and right now I didn't do anything yet to the ESD15 because right now I'm filming this video at night. So, and right, so hopefully I'm going to film in the next day, and then I'm going to talk about the conclusions of how I think or I thought about this Hoco ESD15 after I have used it for one entire day. Alright, so let's cut to the next day of how I think or I thought after I have used this Hoco ESD15 in deep space gray. And hopefully this thing is going to be a Bluetooth anyways, so but whatever. Okay, so after I have used the Hoco ESD15 here for 24 hours, so right now it's time to take all my real conclusions after I have used the Hoco ESD15 here for 24 hours, or the one entire day actually. So the 24 hours and entire day, it doesn't matter. And for the first thing first that I'm going to talk about in my real conclusions, it is the audio. Which I'm gonna say, the audio quality on this thing right here, which it does have a really nice bass to it, and also to keep things balanced, it actually got a table to work too. But although it is actually going to be in the audio, but although I can barely hear it, but oh well. But although for this headphones right here, which I'm gonna say, the audio, it doesn't sound too bad after all. So this thing right here is going to be a real replacement when it comes to listening to music or watching YouTube videos. And for the second thing that I'm going to talk about in my real conclusions, it is the design. So first of all, for the design of this thing right here, which, oh well, especially with the material, which I'm gonna say, for the material, which it kind of look janky from the outside, but from the inside, which as you can see here on the ear cups themselves, it got a really nice cotton wool sort of thing right there, which at first glance when I get this thing first to unbox, I thought these cups right here were actually made out of something like a wool or polyester, which somehow when I realized that when somebody is actually using these headphones right here, do you know what they said? It actually made out of something that you might find on a car seats. So at first glance I thought, how these headphones use the same material as what you find on the car seats? But oh well. The only good side about this material right here is that it's going to last forever and not going to turn apart like what on a leather would do, but especially with a fake leather actually, which they're going to turn apart. And oh well, here is what it looks like after I have used the Bluetooth headphones or whatever the headphones that I use with this fake lettering, which I'm gonna say you can probably going to see this headphones right here from the past or from the present or whatever. So, and this is an Anytech Temari Red 7.1 USB headphones right here, which this one right here is basically just a gaming headphones. So, and this thing right here, it got torn apart too much is that, oh well, you can probably going to see the remains of what the fake leathers actually should be. And this thing right here, which I'm gonna say, it does actually having a style of a Y2K headphones, which, oh well, you know what I mean? And they actually searched up some Y2K headphones on Google, which the only results that actually came up, it is some AirPods Max and some, oh well, other brands, which, oh well, I'm gonna say it does have a pretty nice styling to it. This is actually going to resemble a Y2K style headphones. And when I actually holding the headphones, which especially when I messing around with the ear cups, which it still gives me some pretty satisfying feel to it. But at least when I wear these headphones, which I'm gonna say it actually does a pretty good job at using it as an earmuff, because it actually blocks off the noise that's actually coming into your ears. And the only thing that you get to focus is to listening to music or watching YouTube videos with these headphones. And for the buttons right here, which it is, they're pretty satisfying to hear, but although it is, oh well, they're pretty clicky. But aside from a clicky, it's a pretty nice satisfying click. But hey, at least there's a small match for my Tsunami MK61 right here, which, oh well, it does have a brown switch, which I'm going to show to you what it looks like. So as you can see here, this is a brown switch, and when I type, it's going to make a loud noise. But at least for the brown switch right here, which it does still make a loud noise anyways, but although, and this right here, which it does actually going to give me the same feeling as my Tsunami AK61, but although it is actually pretty loud, but oh well. But it looks like it does have a feeling of that this thing right here is pretty cheap. A bit cheaply made, but oh well, at least the inside is looking pretty good. And from there, beside the power button, you got a micro SD card slot, which you can actually go to store your music into the headphones if you don't want to use the Bluetooth or the aux audio cable. You got a Type-C charging port, which I don't know if it's actually going to make a difference between the micros or the Type-Cs, which, oh well, the only thing that actually can make the difference between the micro or Type-C is only when charging or charging position actually. For the charging position, which I'm going to say when using micro, which you only got one side to charge at the time, but on a Type-C, which use both right side up or right side down. And you got a status LED right there, which as you can see is basically just going to show you a blue light indicator about a second, and then it starts to flash in red and blue rapidly. So as you can see here right now, it doesn't even have any devices near it. So as you can see here right now, it's flashing in blue and red. And right now I'm going to turn it off, which is going to turn off the status LED instantly. And you got a 3.5mm jack right here for connected to your aux audio cable, as well as the microphone for talking to somebody else that you really want to. As you can see right there is basically where the microphone would sit in, which is on that little pinhole there. I think that's pretty much it for my after 24-hour review of this Hoco ESD15. So what are my final thoughts for this? Oh well, I'm gonna say this thing right here is going to be a real replacement for my Hoco W23 that got broke, and this thing right here, hopefully it got even stronger than what it was. But although for the material right here, which it looks like it's pretty janky from the outside, but from the inside, which, oh well. And alright, that's pretty much it for my final thoughts and my real conclusions of the ESD15, the disc-based square Y2K style Bluetooth headphones. And hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to leave us a like, comment, and also consider subscribe, and I appreciate that. And I will see you guys later in the next video, where I'm going to do more quality content like this for you guys. And also, this headphones right here is going to be my real replacement for my Hoco W23 that got broke. And also, this one right here, it actually marks a 1-year anniversary after I have reviewed it. So, I mean, the Hoco 23 actually, the old Bluetooth headphones that got broke. And once again, for final time, thank you guys for watching this video, and don't forget to leave us a like, comment, and subscribe, and do appreciate that. And I will see you guys later, all around, where I'm going to do more quality content like this for you guys. And last, for now, and hopefully it wouldn't broke. But I think is not going to share the same fate as my old one anyways, but since the material is got stronger, or it's going to break apart anytime. So, but anyways, bye!
Set the phases to run. What got you distrust? It's negative attention at best. So call it nothing. Maybe you soft a little bit. Maybe you soft a little bit. It's all about